focused. Here we go. Hey guys. So it is Friday and I'm getting ready to go out of town in a couple hours. We're going to Atlanta. Originally we were supposed to go to Orlando, but it just didn't quite work out. Plans kind of fell through as far as that's concerned. I gotta turn down the TV real quick so we can finish this conversation. But yeah, so yeah, we're getting ready to go to Atlanta. I just came home from the mall because I had to go take back a hat that I bought from H&M, like just kind of last minute when I was at the register. They had for like $5 and it just did not fit on my head because I did not try it on prior. We're going to Atlanta, like I said. We're going to the aquarium and it's going to be me, him, and his oldest son. So this is kind of like our first, guess you could say, kind of family vacation type of situation. So it's going to be fun. I've hung out with him before, obviously, because I've stayed at my boyfriend's house and of course he was there. So we spent time together before, but this is the first time we're really going to be spending time together, like out of town and doing all that stuff. So it's really going to be a good opportunity just for like us to, I guess, bond more and stuff like that. So I'm excited about it. Hey guys, so we're headed to Atlanta now. Yeah, and we got, and he is very into his game right now. So I'm about to do my nails on the way, and somebody is like side-eyeing the hell out of me for wanting to do that. But I told him, like, aren't they cute though? It's got like the little rhinestones and stuff.
You could easily put a gun your nails down.
But see, I already told you about like how it works, that it's gonna pop off.
What do you?
And I have to go like, not pop off, it's gonna like break, and I'm gonna have to go in there and try to get it fixed.
Buy some more of that trash.
That's not trash.
Okay.
It's not trash. But see, you don't understand. So if I go get my nails done, you don't understand the process. Okay, so already the nail salon that I love to go to, they already don't have a lot of people working there. It always be like a line if I don't go there super early. And you know how I work. And I have to get in there to get a fill-in or get like a repair. And I have to go all the way over there to do that. And it's like, oh man, I'm telling you. Like, that's a lot. And then the length I get, they charge you extra for the shape and the length. And then I like the tip. So, this was only like $7. Okay?
It's your world, baby.
You know, like,
That's what you want to
now
do.
you can pay my feet done on that. I will go do. I do need that done. Like, man, before it gets like officially spring. Like that.
You officially can't see your feet anymore.
Right. Oh yeah. Oh Lord. That. Then there's that. Yeah.
Lord, did that.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Talking about my nails, whatever, they're gonna be fabulous. So whatever. Hey. Are you gonna peek it around the corner? Hey. I got you on this side too. Oh my god. And this product, he a hater. Hey, they legit. Hey. They look good though. And my hand's a little ashy though. So don't mind that. Oh no, I just popped it. Oh no, I ain't put it on there good enough. It just popped.
Oh, man.
It just popped. Hold on, let me put some more glue on it. Dang. A shot of that. This is the mirror. Hi. I'm recording because I do it for my YouTube. Yeah, we talked about that the other day. have some. I get the best. Hey guys, so back in the room, and really quick, I want to show you guys what I got from the mall. I only got like 3 things, but I'm just going to show you guys anyway. So we went to Perimeter Mall, which isn't. Can you hear me? Okay, actually no, this works. I could sit it up right here. I got it. Okay, so we actually went to Perimeter Mall, which isn't far from my hotel. So I'm gonna show you guys. I got from Bath & Body Works, they had buy 2 get 1 free, and I got the Amber Argan just body lotion because I'm running low on the other one that I have, and then I got the Amber Argan body wash here, and then I got him a lotion because I was feeling generous, and instead of getting a body butter or like some spray, I was like, he could get a lotion for free. So I got him this. This is the scent that his wears. It's $7 for orange juice.
For a glass of orange?
Oh, hell no. No, we not ordering that. They tripping. Okay, so what I got from Journeys, super cute. I'm really, really excited about this purchase. Here, I can get it together. How much was this? For $10 for these socks. Dang, she got my ass. I could have got these from somewhere else. It's cheaper than that. But I got these no-show socks, which I need some, and I don't have any at all. So I got these. Those were $10. And I got some Vans. Ouch. They're actually the platform kind. These are the ones, if you guys saw Black Panther, these are the ones that Shuri had on at the very end when they were in the in California and stuff. She had these on, but I actually had someone tell me about these platform Vans because I wanted some anyway. Why you look at me like that? Because I wanted some anyway. But they was like, you should get the platform ones, so I got them, and they're actually really cute on. So yeah, I'll probably mention these again in a in my spring haul video. I'm still getting some spring pieces together before I actually film that video, so I'll probably throw this back in there because I know everybody doesn't watch my vlog, so I definitely want to mention them again. But that's all that I got from the mall because that's really all that I needed for right now. And plus, you know, I had the guys with me, so of course I can't shop like how I would normally shop if I was by myself, which I guess is a good thing because that way I didn't spend too much money. Because if I was by myself, that would have been, yeah, I would have gotten into some trouble for sure. But yeah. Good morning, guys. So we are headed to eat breakfast at one of my favorite breakfast spots here in Atlanta. We're at the Egg Harbor Cafe, located in Sandy Springs. I mentioned this in a like vlog maybe like last year or the year before last. This is one of my favorite spots my friend Aja put me on, and this is kind of like our go-to spot after we done clubbed all weekend. say? Wow. Wow. That is so cool. Is it same over there too? Wow. That's an otter.
That's a whale. That's a
No, it's some kind of whale. What is this? I don't know what kind of it is.
I see
It's a whale. It's a beluga whales. See?
I see
They do
blue
like-
it's some sea otters.
Yeah. It do look like a yeah, it do. Back from the aquarium, just got some room service, about to eat. I got just burger and fries. He got wings. Yeah, he got wings, and he got pizza, but I let him open his pizza box. Pizza there. It's a big old pepperoni. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Just got back. He just dropped me off. We had a really good time this weekend. A whole lot of fun, as you guys can see from the footage. Last night we ended up going to Dave & Buster's, and it was quite an experience. But yeah, so when we got there, it was hella packed, of course, because it's Saturday night. But okay, so we walk, because it's different than the one that was in Panama. We was at the one in Marietta. So we went around and we were going to go ahead and get something to eat before we played the games. So 2-hour wait time. So we're like, okay, well, let's just go play some games. So we get in line to load up the cards. Only one of the machines is working. Okay. So we're in that line, and then the guy or whatever is working on the other machine. So when we finally get up to it, it stops working. So we had to hop in another line and wait some more. So we finally got the money on the card, was playing some of the games and all that stuff like that. But I would not be going back to the one in Marietta, because like the kids was just like acting like they didn't have no home training, just running around. And I'm like, if mine ever snatching up by the collar ever run through anybody's establishment, like that's just a no-no. A no-no. Like it was way too many people in there to just be. I'm talking about they were running like they was at a track meet or something. It was just, I'm like, what your folks said? Like, what your parents said? I'm like, 'cause I know you didn't come here alone. Like, but anyways, other than that, we had a good time. It was really chill last night because we was pretty much tired from just the whole day and all that stuff. So yeah, so now I'm about to go ahead and probably start editing this video here and just getting my mind ready for the week, because have a long, well, I don't know if it's long, but it's gonna be an interesting week this week. But yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yep, and as always, I see you guys in the next one. Bye.